Question number 4. Find the value of A and B. First part, 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3 is equal to A plus B root 3. Second part, 5 plus 2 root 3, 7 plus 4 root 3 is find the value. Question number 4. Find the value of A and B. If first 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3 is equal to A plus B root 3. It is also solved. Rationalize 2 minus root 3. And in the same process, you can solve this. The question number 3 is also in this form. And second part, 5 plus 2 root 3 upon 7 plus 4 root 3. This is also equal to A plus B root 3. It is also solved in this type. Law of exponent of the real number. Law of exponent of real number. Real number. Formula. First, x to the power m into x to the power n is equal to x to the power m plus n. If the base is same, just like 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 5, this equal to 2 to the power 4 plus 5. This equal to 2 to the power 9. Second formula, x to the power m upon x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. For example, x to the power 6 upon x to the power 4 is equal to x to the power 6 minus 4. This equal to x to the power 2. If the base is same. So you can apply this formula x to the power m minus n. So value of m is equal to 6 or n is equal to 4. So 6 minus 4, this equal to x square. Third, x to the power m to the power n is equal to x to the power m into n. For example, 2 to the power 3 into power 2 is equal to 2 to power 3 into 2. This equal to 2 to power 3 to the 6. And if any numbers x to the power minus m, x to the power m. X to the power m is equal to 1 upon x to the power minus m. X to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon x to the power m. Change the sign. In this formula, you solve the question first. Question number 5. 16 to the power minus 3 upon 4. This equal to, you can write the 16, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 to the power minus 3 upon 4. So 2, the power of 2 is equal to 1, power of 2 is equal to 1, power of 2 is equal to 1, power of 2 is equal to 1. So 2 to the power 4, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. And use the formula minus 3 by 4. 4 cancel. 2 to the power minus 3. You cannot write in minus power. You change the power in plus. So you also write this 2 1 upon 2 power 3. This equal to 1 upon 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Second part, 8 to the power minus 1 by 3. You can also write 8, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, minus 1 by 3. This equal to 2 to the 2 power 3 into minus 1 by 3. 3 cancel. So 2 power minus 1, this equal to 1 upon 2. And third part, 22 power 4 to the power 1 by 2. This equal to 2 power 4 into 1 by 2. This equal to 2 power 2, this equal to 4. रुको, हम कैसे सेंड किया